Ramadan Hamed, 24, and his family lost their home in West Khan Younis when it was bombed. Leaving them displaced with their entire neighborhood destroyed. Ramadan, a postman and the family's main provider, loved connecting with his community. But the war has upended his life. His sister's husband was killed, adding to their hardship. Forced to flee 5 times, they live in constant fear with no stable home. Despite the suffering, they remain in Gaza, where borders are closed, aid is scarce, and the future is uncertain. With no income, Ramadan's family depends on donations for food, water, and shelter. Please scan the QR code or click on my bio. Any support, big or small, can help them survive. Thank you for your generosity. May Allah bless you.